Dian Fossey was born on January 16, 1932, in San Francisco. Developing a love for animals at a very young age, she was an avid horseback rider and an aspiring vet. However, when she got to university, she changed her mind and started to study occupational therapy instead. When she graduated in 1954, she spent several months working as a hospital intern in California and then moved to Kentucky, where she was director of the Keziah Crippled Children's Hospital. But she soon became restless and set her sights on Africa. In September of 1963, Fossey embarked on her first trip to Africa. This cost her her entire life savings, as well as a bank loan. She soon met her husband, Louis Leakey, an archaeologist, and they became one of the best-known husband and wife teams in the history of science. Fossey then met Joan and Alan Root, native wildlife photographers, who were working on a documentary of African gorillas at the time. Back in Kentucky in 1966, she began a long-term study of the endangered gorillas of the Rwandan mountain, and she lived among the gorillas until the Civil War forced her to escape to Rwanda. In 1967, Fossey established the Karasoke Research Foundation, alternating her time between her fieldwork and PhD. She earned her degree in 1976. In 1983, she published a book titled Gorillas in the Mist, which went on to become a bestseller. Tragically, on December 26th of 1985, Fossey was found dead, believed to have been murdered by poachers at her Rwanda forest camp. Today, her work continues through the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund International.